How to get funding for your restaurant business. Running a restaurant or food service business means dealing with constant expenses, inventory, staff rent, equipment repairs, and sometimes you need extra capital fast to keep things running smoothly. Click on the link to find funding. Now, our team has worked with everything from family owned diners to food trucks to busy catering companies. We are independent brokers and not employees of David Allen Capital, but we work with them exclusively now because they consistently deliver the best rates, fastest approvals, and simplest process for our clients. Here's what sets them apart. They shop multiple top funders for you, give quick decisions, and often deposit funds in just 24 to 48 hours. Plus, they have a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another company beats their offer, DAC will match it or give you $500. They've never had to pay that out, which shows how strong their offers are. Even if your credit is not perfect, if you've been in business at least 6 months and have consistent revenue, you could qualify for funding easily. If you're ready to cover expenses or expand your operations, click on the link below in the description. Watch the short message from DAC's founder and fill out the quick application to see if you can get approved and funded in as little as 1 to 2 days. Try it out now.